nitiere kweth moyiedhi mar obila koso magi to mano obila matiyo ataro mar chik kaka Charles wacho ma ng'ato ka ng'ato onego bed ni timo msalape?
Aparo ni anyalo yie kod statement mar IPOA because kata mana king'iyo ka people have been abducted or people have been arrested to idhi police station ting'isi ni orders from above. Ng'ani wan kode kae, we agree ni wan kode but ok wanyal weye not orders from above. So the issue mar special unit to me I feel ni en gima nitie because actions mosetumore ndalo Gen Z even up to now nyiso ni the police ok independent. To nyiso ni bende police matimo gigi gin police man kod maybe an upper hand or protection from another quarter of the government. Because IPOA is a statement, mega statement of authority. You know, it is not a CBO moromalo so kolali ama ugenya. So this is a government institution must speak authoritatively. So I think the statement mar IPOA katakopon or run short of being specific or kakane jakom machokai. I think it is a wake-up call. It is provoking deeper conversation. Because wechema IPOA wacho kubor kod wechema Kenya National Commission of Human Rights no wacho. Wechema IPOA wacho kubor kod riwruok manene hotel kod imulu Amnesty National kagichiwo nyinge jok mane oneg amotho under unclear circumstances ama jok ma have been abducted. Wechema IPOA bende wacho ok bor kodu penjo mancha wa bunge no penjo the current deputy president chieng mano di bunge. So ka wan jok madwa konyo police because police ok nene obiro mondo otinwa from nowhere. This is kamanya nyaka Kenyans must agree on. Ni onge ngat manochiew somewhere to an kawuono nyaka bed police mar Kenya. It is Kenyans in their own belief and understanding. Emano wacho ni we ought to have an institution milongo ni police. Bwa oro wa bunge mekwa ibunge bo come up with an act. Mano create the National Police Service.
Okay.
And out of that act to meet the National Police Service, the powers mondo come up with frameworks and and all other mechanisms mondo tawa. So ongo benu wanwa wegi as a community with all the stakeholders wa wacho to wechema IPOA o wachogi. What is it? So that various institutions, whether government, non-government, national, international, can play a part in the conversation. Mondo white kakadwa police to good community. Because Charles wacho ni we can never be safe without the police as an institution. And it is true, the mandate mad police, the issues of maintaining law and order, protecting our territorial integrity, which make a peace. It is so integral. Makoponi, it is like bishop or watching bishop ni Jabilogan Achwaka and Ndhiyo. Okay, they watching ni okay wacho kama bishop no mete, toki go a picture. It is a discussion makorona ka jodongo kanisa gujodolo makokodo wafuasi kodanyu wala wachini tombaka megoyo ni tiendene kanye. So I think that's the right direction when we as a people and as leaders.